I have no clue.
No? Do you have anything on you that's illegal?
No, y'all can check them.
Is this your final destination?
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
I want you to relax, okay? It's
You're
gonna be a couple minutes. We're gonna treat you good, okay?
Every hole, every crevice there's tape.
That way.
What happens when a legal substance is indistinguishable from an illegal one? What happens when a warrant is obtained while consent is still active? What happens when the statute itself has not yet decided what it means before reaching a conclusion? Consider what the law requires and what it still cannot answer.
Seat somebody's in.
Okay. Wait,
Hold on just a second. We need to talk to somebody and I don't know what seat they're in.
okay, what's the last? Is it Brandon? Brayden?
Yes.
He's all the way in the back, 31E.
31E. Okay. Their lights do not work on the jet bridge.
Yeah, I'm gonna make that announcement real quick.
31E. Okay. We'll wait. He's all the way in the back. Is your name Brendan?
What?
Is your name Brendan?
Brendan?
Brandon?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna talk right up here.
Okay. Where are you gonna go?
We're gonna go all the way to the top.
Okay.
And to the wall.
That one?
Yes.
Okay.
So is there any reason why we would be stopping you today?
I have no clue.
No. Do you have anything on you that's illegal?
No, y'all can check them.
Do you have anything in checked luggage?
No.
Do you have anything? Is it okay if we check your checked luggage?
Y'all can do what you want.
So yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
we have
fine.
consent to check your checked luggage. Do
I mean,
you have your ID on you?
I do.
Okay. Is this your final destination?
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Okay.
What is your final destination?
Chicago?
Chicago. You happen to have that boarding pass to that Chicago flight?
It's on my phone.
Yeah, you can pull it up. Where's your ID out of? Got it?
She's got it. What is on here? I'm trying to find my trips. There we go. Charles 402, California.
I'm trying to, you leaving out of C. Let's see if we can make this quick for you. Your address correct on your ID?
Yeah, it's correct.
Yeah. Right, let me see that real quick. So we conducting an investigation. I'm gonna need you to use your phone. Yeah, all of it. Your bags, your phone, everything. But just stand by. Just give us a couple minutes, all right? We're gonna get you on your way. You can put that down. We'll search everything at the same time. Appreciate you. You heading up there for business?
What? No, my daughter lives in Chicago.
Okay. How old is she?
7.
Okay. How many bags did you check?
2. I had my big bag and then they had me check my carry-on.
Okay. 2 rollers?
Yeah, it's 2 black bags.
Black rollers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we still have consent to check your luggage?
Y'all should get a warrant to open them.
So no?
No.
No more consent? What happened, bro?
No, that's one. If y'all want to go through my bags, get a warrant. That's it.
I mean, you said yes.
That's it. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Ain't no big deal.
No big deal.
You know there's no difference. You still coming.
I know.
Okay.
That's fine.
We still gonna run them though, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna take this one too.
Yeah, that's
I'm
cool.
gonna take that one too. What happened? He's doing so well.
I'm not gonna say anything else.
Okay, let's go somewhere. We're about to get you on your way to your next flight.
Go ahead.
Turn this off.
Nope. We gotta keep it on.
I'm turning it off.
Nope.
You can't keep my phone on.
Yes, we can.
Wow.
Yes, we can.
It don't work like that. Relax, okay? Calm down, okay?
Y'all want everything out of my pockets too?
Yeah. Appreciate you.
Oh, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, Brandon, come on.
I'm not gonna play it.
I didn't say you were.
I know.
I appreciate you. Let me just take this off for you, okay? All right. After this, we're just gonna sit you down for a couple minutes, all right?
That's fine. Where? Yeah, I mean, I'm just cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
You been drinking?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I had 2 shots on the plane.
Yeah. Calm down, okay?
I just can't stop shaking.
I see.
I know.
Have a seat. I want you to relax, okay? It's
You're
gonna be
good.
a couple minutes. We're gonna treat you good, okay?
That's fine.
All right. All right, Brandon. So they done scanned these bags. They're saying that there's something in these bags. They can't really make it out. With the locks on your bag, will you give us consent to unlock it?
No, I won't.
Okay. 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 So you know how this works from here?
No clue.
What do you mean?
I don't know what's going on. So,
You don't know why we're stopping you?
No clue.
Regarding the items in your luggage?
no clue.
Okay.
So we have a warrant. Just gonna show you.
He kind of explained what you were going to do.
It's kind of hard to see on here. Shows our search warrant, what county we're in. There's the bags. They have the bag tag numbers on them. That's affiliated with your name. And it shows a search warrant that we can search over those bags. Okay?
Come on, Brandon.
Where we going?
You want to carry that for me? You're going to the other side. Hey, man, come on with
I'm
the
trying to
wiggle.
let-
You
I'm
wiggling.
trying to let my
You
pants go
wiggling now. Don't be
I'm
wiggling.
trying to let my pants go out.
Stop wiggling.
Come on now.
Come on, we're going to sit on this side. Now we done move sides,
Damn,
man.
look at y'all. Y'all brought me all the way to the other side.
This side is nicely decorated. Have a seat. Put that up there.
I put my rabbit ears back in my pocket.
I can do that. Make it look all right.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you. He's showing nice.
I told you we going to treat you good.
Hey, look, like I said, y'all doing your job. That's why
I
I'm,
appreciate you. Go ahead. Have a seat.
Of course. What am I going to do, bro?
All right, let's see.
No, I don't have one. I've got it.
Check this.
You take pictures of everything.
Let me check this really fast. How about that?
God damn.
Well, we might have to put it on the floor.
Okay.
Just lay it down on the floor. How about that? Yeah. Just take a picture of it. You have the work on.
So the whole bag?
We're trying to get-
Oh, thank you. Oh, the whole bag?
Yeah, like just overall like this.
Okay.
Just overall.
Yeah, I thought so.
Do you want me to get a bag? Put that anything in a zipper?
Do what?
Put it.
I don't see anything in that zipper.
What's this tape?
It's just,
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
They're all taped. Seal any air to get out. That has to be it.
Oh.
Seal any air. Check that side. So, unzip it. It's all taped. It's all taped everywhere. All taped. What? What?
Maybe it was just the box. Or maybe what we thought was people that we can't show at the bottom.
Maybe.
We got the other one.
Oh, yeah.
This one?
What? Air tank? Yeah, that's all I saw, unless there's one sealed up in that.
Oh,
Is that your phone?
no, that was his phone.
Oh, there's a phone in there. That's what was at the bottom.
Up the roadway by entering 24, which was calling for ground transportation. State blackmail, that's where I don't like. Asking for an employee, saying that he's trying to give them flowers. Well, does not have any flowers. Not intolerant, but irritated.
Taped. Taped again.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh no.
Yeah, there's
little holes.
every hole, every crevice, there's tape.
That way you can,
There's tape everywhere. Alright.
Can you put the phone back in?
Yep, just lay it in there. Zip it. Zip it. We can test them at Pumpkin Night.
I'll go ahead and explain. It took a while to get here, but we was able to open up your bags, and
y'all should test it because it's THCA, by the way.
that's fine.
I know. That's cool.
We got the warrant signed and everything
That's cool.
with
Yeah,
this
I
point, so
understand.
you're gonna be placed under arrest for possession of marijuana.
So how do I have them tested? Because THCA is legal in every state. So how do
I'm sorry.
So THCA is legal in every state.
Right?
So how do I have them tested so y'all can see what it actually is?
We have to send it out to a lab.
Okay.
So, but the fact is, you're gonna be placed under arrest today,
I get it.
and tomorrow we'll just figure out what.
So where
it
do we
is.
go from here? Like what jail am I going to?
We're going to our airport jail today, and you're going to be transferred over to Tarrant County Detention Center, where you'll be able to make bond arrangements.
Do I already have a bail or something? Or like,
Now the judge's going to set it.
what's normal bail for stuff like this?
It's up to a judge, man. It's going to be a different judge potentially, but it's up to a judge to take a look at it, and he make a determination based on your history, the whole.
What's average? Like,
I have no idea. I never even got to that point.
So
We get you down there the faster you can talk.
So when do I actually get transferred over then?
Well, it's still early. We
Today.
get you down there today.
Oh,
So
okay.
you should be able to get somebody. You ready? Yeah. Okay.
Which way are we
Brandon,
going?
Head out this way. Okay?
Okay.
Slow down, Brandon.
Oh, I'm not trying to go fast. I'm trying not to walk too fast.
No worries.
Instead of slow down.
I got little legs, Brandon.
I know. I see you. I'm not trying to walk too fast. Yeah, I told you I have no jacket in there.
You ain't lied about that. That's one thing you did not lie about.
I told you.
I give you that.
I told you I did not know.
Make sure y'all put that in
Now
there.
I was about to ask for some pants, and then I was like, wait, hold on, she about to
There's some
catch me?
pants in there.
I know, trust me, I know there's pants in there. Hey, y'all can't lie. This has been
I'm
y'all's
gonna get
best.
somebody to search you down.
That's cool. You can't lie. This has been your best arrest out here, huh?
Man, you my first call today.
Good.
You got
Give me a minute. Sit
going.
down.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
And you've been a highlight of the day, so hopefully we stay on this
Y'all
level,
did your
man.
job. I know what's up. So it's like, what am I supposed to do? Arguing, like complaining?
Yeah.
That's gonna do nothing but get me in more trouble.
Sure.
You said it was warm out here.
Dude, it is warm out
Shit,
here.
cold out here.
It feels good out here.
I swear.
You feel better than inside that
The whole
building?
summer where I lived was 115. Average. It was 90 degrees when I got on the plane last night at like 8 something last night. Like when I got to the airport, it was like 90 something degrees.
What they say about Texas, I know you're not from here, but what they say about Texas, if you don't like the weather, wait 20
Well,
minutes.
you know what's funny? My dad's from
Yeah,
Plano.
wait about
My dad was
20
born and
minutes.
raised in Plano, so
Oh,
I've
well,
been to Texas a lot before.
yeah, okay.
No, just this whole arm with a suit. Okay. Yeah. Nothing you can do. Y'all got a bunch of them? No.
They have some,
They have like
yeah,
really hot pocket, like something.
yeah, something.
I just want to bail so I can bail the fuck out.
Yeah. Well, like I said, it's early. You should be able to see a judge this morning, and you can kind of go from there.
So I have to get transferred from the airport jail to the other jail to get to see a judge, or I see no.
Well,
They let you know down there.
they let you, sometimes they do the video deal, sometimes.
Will they let me get a number on my phone so I can call?
Yeah, they have a phone and everything inside the cell that you can.
Yeah, but I gotta get a number out of my phone.
Yeah, they will.
My
Let you.
brother's above me, so I'm like,
Oh,
wish y'all had some fun this morning.
We would have had a little bit more if you would have just gave us consent.
Hey, look, I can't let you do your. I gotta make it
I
work.
can't let you do your job. You have to
I think you gotta work a little bit, but you're doing your job.
You could have easily said, "Can y'all grab my coat out of my bag?" You know, I mean,
I gave you.
I didn't have a coat in my bag. That's the problem.
I'd have gave you some pants too.
Nah, see,
you wore them pants.
You tried it though. I thought it was hilarious. She's like, "You sure I got you?"
I got you, my boy. Say less.
You know, it's really funny if y'all just looked at my wall. The key was right there.
Nah, we wouldn't do you like that.
You still need a warrant even there if you find the key.
We asked you.
I know.
You said yes. You recanted.
I
So
was
we
like,
just gotta go off your word.
Up with your left foot.
Oh yeah, it's not my first time.
Hey, I still gotta tell you though.
I know. Hold on, real stuff. There we go.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Florida v. Bostic 1000. 191. Fourth Amendment seizure in transit environments requires asking whether a reasonable person would feel free to decline officers and terminate the encounter in a single exit enclosed space. This question is constitutionally unresolved. The answer determines whether the entire encounter was voluntary or compelled. Terry v. Ohio 1000. 968. Reasonable articulable suspicion authorizes a brief investigatory stop. Bolte, Illinois v. Gates 1000. 983. Probable cause requires a totality of circumstances analysis. These are two distinct legal standards that cannot substitute for each other. Tip originating from a law enforcement agency carries substantially greater weight than an anonymous civilian report under either standard. Schneckloth v. Bustamante 1000. 973. Consent to search must be voluntary and free from coercion. Florida v. Gimeno 1000. 991. Consent may be withdrawn at any time before the search is completed. Withdrawal terminates all authority derived from that consent. Key lesson. A separately obtained warrant cures the revocation entirely. Pre-consent warrant preparation is the stronger procedural posture for law enforcement. Salinas v. Texas 2013. Pre-arrest silence in a non-custodial context does not automatically receive Fifth Amendment protection. The right to silence must be invoked explicitly. Remaining quiet without a formal invocation may allow that silence to be used as substantive evidence of guilt at trial. Fourth Amendment. A warrant must describe with particularity the place to be searched and the items to be seized. Individual identification numbers linked to specific property satisfy this requirement. Overbroad warrants lacking that specificity are constitutionally deficient. This particularity requirement is the primary check against general exploratory searches. Federal courts recognize consciousness of guilt as independently cognizable circumstantial evidence. The deliberate elimination of all possible scent pathways from a sealed container is a recognized inference of guilty knowledge. This evidence is cumulative. It adds to existing probable cause rather than functioning as its sole foundation. Riley v. California, 2014. A unanimous Supreme Court holding. Officers require a separate warrant to search the digital contents of a cell phone, even incident to a lawful arrest. A warrant covering a physical container does not extend to data stored on a device found inside that container. Digital and physical searches operate under different constitutional thresholds. 7 U.S.C. Section 16390. Agricultural Improvement Act of 2018. Hemp is cannabis sativa L, with delta-9 THC not exceeding 0.3% by dry weight. TH in its unheated form is not delta-9 THC. The DEA 2021 interim final rule applies a total THC calculation that includes converted THCA. Standard field immunoassay tests cannot distinguish between the two compounds. Only HPLC laboratory chromatography can resolve the distinction with legal certainty. The outcome of any prosecutions depends entirely on which standard the court applies. 3 constitutional doctrines. 1 contested federal statute. 1 unpublished lab result. Was the initial contact a consensual encounter or a Fourth Amendment seizure? Does THCA become a controlled substance under the DEA total THC standard? Or remain federally legal hemp under the Farm Bill definition? If the laboratory result falls below 0.3%, does the arrest survive? These are not rhetorical questions. They are the actual questions before the court. The legal framework is established. The application to these specific facts is not. That is where the analysis continues.